Ahead of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26th, hands-on images of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have surfaced online, providing a closer look at the device's design. While the leaked images show similarities to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, there are a few subtle refinements worth noting. So hey everyone, I am Ayosh, and if you are new here, don't be shy, you subscribe now. The photos showcase the Fold 5's cover display, back, and the redesigned hinge, which now allows the device to close fully flat. Although the overall appearance remains similar, keen observers will spot slight modifications in the rear camera setup, featuring a larger lens protrusion and a separate LED flash. One image reveals the inner folding display, however, its quality makes it difficult to determine if the crease is visible. It's important to note that the leaked unit appears to be a test model, as it features several identifying labels on both the front and back. The images were obtained by a Redditor who claims they were shared by someone looking to sell the unit. In terms of design, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 seems to focus on subtle enhancements rather than major changes compared to its predecessor. Notably, Samsung has worked on making the device appear thinner when closed and has introduced a zero-gap hinge for improved aesthetics. While external design updates are limited, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to offer notable internal improvements. Reports suggest a switch to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip, delivering faster and more efficient performance along with speedy USS 4.0 storage. The device is expected to feature a primary 50MP camera, a 12MP ultrawide camera, and a 10MP telephoto camera featuring 3x optical zoom. Based on the leaked images, what are your thoughts on the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 5? Do you think the subtle refinements are enough to make the device more appealing to consumers? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.